Good evening everyone, this is by-DEGALA-BALAJI. Welcome back to my channel DB Stocks. Let us discuss what is going to happen in Sensex tomorrow's weekly expiry. Let us start with the Fridays and today's market. On Friday's market we can clearly see that bearish momentum, which opens gap down and slowly started to give the bearish momentum in the market. As a result, market closed at the bottom. That means if this indicates that market is in the bearish condition. As a result, today it opens gap down opening, and after this first 15 minutes candle became the volatile candle, and then after slow and steadily it gives the breakdown. That means the first 15 minutes candle, after the breakdown itself, it came downside and also failed to take the 15 minutes closing candle support. That means we can also see that 15 minutes closing candle will act as a resistance or support. It failed to take the support and it given the breakdown of this previous day low, that means Friday's low, and slow and steadily it came downside and taken the support of 72,800, and slow and steadily market moves upside and closes in the middle. It didn't closes, that means this closing will gives you the signal. That means closing, by the closing we can come to the conclusion that how the market is in the, whether it is in uptrend or downtrend or in the volatile momentum. See here, this is the market somewhere around it given, see, from 74,200 is opening itself, market given the bearish momentum, it closes at the bottom. And also today we can see that it opens gap up and closes in the middle itself. That means if it closes above the 73,600 or near to the 73,600, means we can see that, we can confirm that market is in the buying momentum. We can have the bullish scenario in the market. But what happened, it closes in the middle. And what is going to happen in tomorrow's market in the Sensex? Till it gives the breakout of this 73,600, we cannot have the 73,600, 650, 600, 650 or 700, this range. That means 73,600, 650 range. That means if market, till the market gives the breakout of this range, we don't need to expect the buying momentum in the market. And also, and after this 72,800 breakdown, we can have the, we can go for aggressive selling in the market. Why? Because see here, market slow and steadily it came downside from upside 74,200 and closes in the middle. And now also market came, today also market opened near to the 73,400 and it gives the bearish momentum. Slow and steadily it closes in the middle. If it started to move downside, means the bearish momentum will continue, and if it started to move downside, means we can go for the aggressive selling after the breakdown of the 72,800. This is the, already the market is in the bearish momentum. If it gives the breakout, means the bearish momentum will continue. Or if market wants to change its direction, means that means from bearish to bullish, means first of all, the first and foremost thing is it has to give the breakout of this 73,800, 650, 700, this range. That means we can see this is the 50% retracement range, this is the 50% range. If it gives the breakout, till it gives the breakout of the 73,800, we don't need to expect the buying momentum in the market. And one more thing, that if it opens slightly flat or gap up, means after the breakout of this 73,300, we can go for the buying momentum in the market with the target of 73,600. This is the first target. And after the breakout of the 73,650, 700 and 800 range only, we can go for the buying momentum. Or if it is not giving any breakout at this point, that means at this range, if market giving any breakout failures, if you have identified any breakout failure, you don't need to go for aggressive buying. And after the breakout of this range and retest with the price action, you can go for the buying opportunity. We can see the buying opportunity if it opens flat or slightly gap up opening, and after the breakout of the 73,300 only, we have to go for the buying opportunity. We have to see the buying opportunity with the target of 73,600, 650 with the first target. Or if it opens flat and slightly gap down opening, and after this breakdown of this 73,000 round level only, we have to see the selling opportunity with the first target of 72,800 is the first target. and after the breakdown of the 72,800 we can go for the aggressive buying in the market. Or if you have seen any breakout failure, means we have to aware of the breakout failure. So if you have seen any breakout failure, means we have to close the position and I have to wait for the next price action signal. Based on the price action we can go for the selling, we can see the selling opportunity. And one more point is that after the big candle we can expect the pause candle in the weekly time frame. We can expect the pause candle in the weekly time frame. If it has to become the pause candle, means market has to sustain within this range. That means it opened here somewhere around, and also if it waited for 1 or 2 days, and after that if market giving the breakdown, means we can expect very big buying momentum. That means this is the after the big bearish momentum. If market waited, means this is the bearish continuation pattern. That means market given the bearish momentum, and after that if market waited for some time, and after that if it gives the breakdown, means we can expect some very big bearish momentum in the market after the breakout of this range. Like how in the same manner, if market waited at this range 73,800 and 72,800, means if market waited at this range, means we can expect some big bearish momentum towards the downside. If it waited at the low, that means if it waited at the bottom, means we can expect some big bearish momentum in the market. Or if market slow and steadily slightly moving towards and closing at the top, and if it gives the breakout of this range, means we can slow and steadily take the that means we can slow and steadily see the bullish momentum in the market with the price action. After the breakout of the 73,800 only we have to see the buying momentum in the market. Or if it gives the breakdown of the 72,800 800 means breakdown, means we can expect the big bearish momentum in the market. If it gives the breakdown of 73,000 round level, means the first target will be 72,800. If it gives the breakout of this 73,300 means we have to see the first target of 73,600. And thank you. This is my view about the Sensex for tomorrow's expiry.